Okay, good morning. Today I'll be bringing you guys to one of the events that organized by Sony. Okay, so for this event, actually they are launching. No, it's not launching lah. They already launched the cameras. It's a touch and feel, and they got something to shoot in this event. It's quite a big event. Okay, so basically for these events, they have 3 rounds. So the first round is in KL, and it's in Doubletree Hilton. Okay, so here is where I am now. Okay, and then the most important thing is this event is collaborated with Nanlite, Nanlite lighting. Okay, so I'll just pay a visit over here, and I won't be doing any sharing or what. Okay, so if you want to know more about the events, because there's 2 more rounds. Okay, there's 2 more rounds in Penang and also Johor Bahru. Okay, so if you wish to join these great events, then maybe you can sign up or register to join the event. Okay, so for this event mainly is for you guys to touch and feel and use the A7 Mark IV and also the new lens. It's quite a big event. I heard that is almost like 100 packs in KL. Okay, but in Johor and Penang, I don't know how many have registered. So if you want to know more, check out my link below. Okay, I'll put it in my Facebook page, so remember to follow my Facebook page and to know more about this kind of events and workshop. Okay, so let's go. I'll bring you guys go up and have a look how is the event. Okay, so before we go in, alright, safety first. Have to do the self-test kit. Alright, let's go. So the event basically started at 10 o'clock, but now it's already like 11:40. So these are the first introduction. Okay, done. Waiting for the result. What side is good? Okay, self-test done, register done. Alright, Sony sticker done. Let's go. Sony product specialist, Hante. So basically, I think there's around like 15 or 16 Nanlite lightings over here. This is I think like the largest workshop or events that we have done before, all together with all the 16 lights from our demo showroom, demo warehouse. Okay, so yeah, we have the Forza 60 up until Forza 500, and also we have a few mixed panels over here. Okay, okay, so basically that's all of the events. Okay, basically the events is until 2 p.m, but I need to move because I still got some things to do. Okay, so I'll see you in the next event or workshop. Okay, bye.